Here is the sign for number. Okay, hand shapes are going to be the same. Start like this, all right? We're going to take our fingers, put them together, bring them down to make O's, all right? Now take those O's and squish them down. That's the hand shape that we need. So there's still some gap in there, but they're just O's that are squished down. Okay, so I'm right-handed. I'm going to take my first one and put it here. My non-dominant hand, I'm going to put it here. Now we're going to come together, come back out, twist forward, come back together again. So all together it's number. All right, let's slow it down. My dominant hand, I'm right-handed, right here. It's kind of backwards because I'm going to be moving that one forward. My non-dominant hand's open a bit because I'm going to be moving it backwards. So we have number. So first, come straight in, come back out, twist, and come back together. Number. From the side. From the other side. Number. Number. From the front again. From the rest position, sign with me. Here we go. Number. 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 Okay, hand shapes. Remember, we got those O's, the letter O. That's squished down, right? Take your dominant hand, put it here. It's going to be twisting forward. Non-dominant hand over here is going to be twisting backwards eventually. First, bring them together, bring them out, twist, come in again. All together. All right, we just talked about how to sign number.